Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about why it can be a good idea to place your IFAK here, right below the plates. Of course, this all depends on how tall you are, what your setup is made for, and so on. But for me, being that tall, if I have a setup with plate carrier and belt, it's really nice to fill this gap between the plate carrier and the belt pockets. One reason is I have more room on my belt for extra pouches if I need to carry extra stuff like grenades or whatsoever. But also with the backpack, it's nice if this gap is filled, because then the backpack has got more contact surface, and otherwise if you just have the plate carrier and the backpack on top, it can make like a tilting motion, and this can be can be annoying for the lower back. And with this, there is more contact, so therefore more comfort and a lot less stress on the lower back. I removed the hip belt for more clarity, and sometimes you don't need a hip belt. So this is the big advantage in my opinion. The big disadvantage, which is quite obvious, is maybe you remove your plate carrier because you are on the range or something. Then problem is that your IFAK is now here. So without a plate carrier, you have no IFAK on you. So this is not good. So this works mainly if you have plates on all the time, like in a military kit, for example. Or you could also use the space for a different pouch and just pack other stuff there, which is also filling the gap. And again, maybe you don't need this, maybe this doesn't work for your gear. It all depends on the ballistic protection, how big it is, how tall you are, and so on. But for me, it works quite well. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to be watched by you again. Bye.